Today we will be continuing with the next theorem, theorem number 10.8 of this chapter, circles. What is the statement of that theorem? It states that an angle subtended by an arc of a circle at the center is always double of the angle subtended by the same arc on the remaining part of the circle. So how we can prove it? If I consider P and Q as 2 points on the circle making an arc PQ, it subtend an angle at O. POQ is the angle subtended at the center of the circle. Same arc PQ is subtending an angle at A, that is the remaining part of the circle. So from this POQ at the center and from PAQ on the remaining part of the circle, the relationship between them, angle POQ at the center is always 2 times the angle, the same arc P at PAQ. To prove this, angle at the center is double the angle subtended by the same arc on the remaining part. To prove this, we will be joining A to B, that is passing through the center of the circle. It cuts that into 2 triangles. Firstly, we'll consider the first right side triangle AOQ. And in this proof, we are using 2 of the properties of the triangles, isosceles triangles property and exterior angles property. And if you consider this right side triangle, the shaded one, you can see there is an angle AOQ and OQA. If you see that angles, especially that 2 angle measures are always equal because it is an isosceles triangle. Why is it as isosceles? Because O is the center of the circle, O to Q and O to A. Both are radii. So this radii, OQ and OA, makes their opposite angles as equal. So we can say angle OAQ is equal to angle OQA from this. That is using the property of isosceles triangle, the right side one. But we need this outside angle and this inside angle. We don't want to relate this angle with it. So I am trying to avoid this OQA from it, OQA angle. For that, firstly, let us take exterior angle property of this right side triangle. Exterior angle property says that OAQ plus AQO, the same one, OAQ plus OQA is equal to the outside angle BOQ. Angle BOQ, I'll write first, is equal to this. Angle BOQ is the exterior angle of this right side triangle. That angle, exterior angle property says that in any triangle, the sum of the remote interior angles is always equal to the exterior angle. So here if I take BOQ, that will be the sum of these 2 angles. And I don't want to connect this angle in the proof. So I am trying to make this angle and this angle connected. OAQ. So in the place of OQA, I am writing OAQ itself. Because they both are same. Already we have written these 2 angles are same because of the isosceles triangle property. This means 2 times angle OAQ will give. This we can take as the first equation. So we have got the outside one is double of this. Outside one, angle BOQ is 2 times angle OAQ. Similarly, we can prove in triangle, this is in the first triangle we considered is AOQ. in triangle AOQ. So similarly, we can consider triangle left side one, PAB. In that also we can prove this POB the same way as we did in the previous one, using the isosceles triangle property and exterior angles of this. This exterior angle is the sum of these two. In the place of this, I am writing this again. That will come as angle POB is equal to the exterior angle 2 times PAO. 2 times of PAO itself. This is the second equation. Let us try to add these first and the second equation. From these two equations we got, if you add up the left sides and right sides separately, we get angle BOQ plus angle POB equals, right side is 2 times angle OAQ plus 2 times angle PAO. Here 2 is common on the right side. If I write it outside of that, angle OAQ plus angle PAO. Now look to the figure. What is the sum of BOQ and POB? POB and BOQ is totally this angle plus this angle is the total of this POQ. That is actually angle POQ itself. Then this one 2 times, which one? From the figure you can see OAQ and PAO. OAQ, OAQ and PAO. These two angles added together gives you PAQ itself. This is what we need to prove. POQ, angle at the center of the circle, is always double of the angle subtended by the same arc on the remaining part of the circle. Thank you.